Let's take a look at the IoT Experience Cloud Service. Once logged in, you'll see the devices that are assigned to your account. Select the device that you would like to view. Once into the PumpMD's data, you'll see an image of the device. Then you'll see a green bar below it. This green bar indicates that the thresholds are within the designated selected settings. If this green bar is red, then you know you've had some triggered alerts. These triggered alerts can be adjusted by clicking on the gear at the top right-hand corner. Here you could set your temperature alert and your pressure alarm alert. Scrolling down, you'll see your real-time gauges. Currently, we are at 117 degrees on our case drain and at 5.64 psi. Below that, you can see the min and the max and the average of the previous plot, which is done every minute. These plots are graphed below, and by clicking at the top right-hand corner, we can adjust the duration and the resolution. The resolution is every minute, and then we can scroll along here and see our plots, and you can see that the value is changing on the average, max, and minimum. Same with our pressure below. Click on the top right-hand corner, click the duration, click 6 hours here, and we update, and then we can scroll and look at our case drain pressures. Scrolling further down the page, you can see your events and connection status. You can see all your triggered alerts in a list, and they're all time-stamped. By clicking on the alert, you can clear this alert, or you can update the event by new, acknowledge the alert, or resolved. So you can say this alert was resolved and update it, and the alert will update in the list. Then further and lastly, you can see the connection status, when the device came online and when it went offline. And there you have it. For any questions, please contact us here at Airline Hydraulics anytime.